My name's Mason, and I created Back to Baseline not as a brand, but as a system, a space, and a structure that I personally needed when I was at my lowest, when I was lost, and when I just didn't feel like myself. There was a time where I looked successful from the outside. I had the discipline, the drive, the work ethic, but internally I was unraveling. My nervous system was fried. I'd start things and fall off. I'd overcommit, collapse, isolate. I didn't know how to rest. I didn't know how to feel. And I was stuck in a loop of burnout. And every time I tried to fix it with more mindset tools or performance hacks, I would crash even harder. That's why I stopped trying to push my way out and started rebuilding my nervous system from the ground up, using breath, sound, structure, movement, consistency, and real life nervous system tools, not just theories. And everything changed. This group is built from that journey. And it exists so that you don't have to keep guessing, spinning, or pretending that you're fine when you're not. Back to Baseline is a free space for high-functioning men who are ready to stop cycling through burnout and start building sustainable regulation, clarity, and calm. This isn't a mindset group. It's not about hype, hustle, or forcing more on top of a nervous system that's already in survival mode. Here's what does happen here. We normalize the emotional flatness, disconnection, and overthinking, and we help you work with it, not against it, to overcome it. We talk about nervous system science and not just be present vocabulary. We explore gut health, breath work, identity rewiring, burnout patterns, sound therapy, fascia, trauma, epigenetics, and how to integrate all of that into your daily life. We teach you how to build structure that sticks, and not based on willpower, but biology. And we provide weekly videos, somatic tools, short form content, long form content, sound bath, free resources, guided meditation from lived experience, from somebody who has walked through it. So if that resonates, you're in the right place. Here's what happens when you follow this path. You stop snapping at people you love. You actually enjoy your mornings again. You have structure that works with your energy instead of against it. You stop checking out during conversations. You stop ghosting yourself, and you feel alive in your body. You lead better, love deeper, think clearer, and execute without overthinking. You stop falling off track every few weeks, and you become the man you've always been underneath the pressure. Steady, clear, and grounded. This is the work that gets you there. This space is for men who are ready to take self-responsibility without self-shaming. Men who've done therapy or coaching and just still feel like something is missing. Men who crave the tools and not fluffy affirmations. Men who are spiritual and structured and who are open to both but just need a little guidance. Men who want to be better leaders, partners, fathers, friends, but they know that they can't do it from where they are. This is not for men who want just quick hacks, motivation posts, or productivity nonsense. It's not for guys who want to stay in victimhood. It's not for those who think this work is woo and refuse to see the science. This is for grounded, growth-oriented men who are ready to recalibrate. Here's how to use this space. Watch the weekly live streams. They're short, potent, and real. Check the guide section for any tools and resources to reset and regulate. Introduce yourself. Let us know where you're at, where you're coming from, what brought you here. This is a community. Drop into the comments. Reflect, ask, share. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent and showing up. And most importantly, use what you learn. Try the practices. Notice what shifts. Bring your nervous system into the conversation. This isn't just an info dump. It's a space for integration. So if you're still watching this, something here is resonating with you. So here's your next step. Stay connected. Show up. Try the tools. Ask the questions. This is a space that only works if you use it. But for now, welcome. You are not late. You're not too far gone. And you're not broken. You're just a man learning how to come back to baseline so that you can lead from clarity, live from awareness, and build from peace. Let's get to work.